If you want to swap your letters out and get some new ones, the first thing you have to do is check there to make sure there are some letters left. In this case, there are 34, so there are plenty. Then instead of playing your turn, you actually click on this little menu item here, and that will open up something that looks like this, where you can see the different menu options. And you want to click on swap. And when you do that, that will open up this menu here, where you can choose which letters you'd like to swap. So, and you see there are two commands here. There's cancel and then there's the swap. But you choose from your letters here, and you can just slide them up manually, or you can just tap on them and they'll go into that swap rack. And you'll end up with some letters here, and then if you tap on swap, it will swap them out and give you new letters. Now you lose your turn when you do that, but that's what happens. Or you can cancel out and either choose different letters, or you can cancel out altogether. Anyway, that's how you swap your letters. Good luck.